Hello, hi, Mr. Brad Bernstein.
How are you, Shane?
Thank you very much for having me. Very
My
well,
pleasure.
thank you very much.
My pleasure.
I don't want to ask a question. I want to make a statement.
Make a statement.
And I don't mind being recorded. Again, I don't mind being recorded.
Okay.
Thank you. Now, I came to your office one of the evenings when you had where everyone come to learn and ask questions about the DACA program and everything.
Right, you came for the seminar.
The seminar, yes.
Right.
And I want to say, I was there to observe and see how your staff and yourself handled all the questions that everyone had to ask.
Right.
I saw and observed how professional everyone was, the questions that everyone asked. I mean, I thought that they were going to stump you a lot of times, but you were on point. You knew how to not just answer them and let them know that you know what you're talking about. You answered everyone in a way that it showed professionalism, knowledge, and expertise. Now, if anyone out there is thinking, should I go with this guy? There's so many other options out there. Believe me, there are people out there, yes, not just to take your money. There are some of them who they will get your green card, but under what circumstances? How long will they take? Are they really interested in you and your family? Or are they interested in the almighty dollar? I, Mr. Bernstein, have worked for many law firms in and around New York City, whether it be Solomon Brothers, Sullivan Cromwell, firms like Beer Stearns, Reed Smith, many law firms. And I've never seen such care for people more so than you. There are people who out there just to say, okay, we have clients, you're client number one, you're client number two. But Brad, your staff, they will call you. They will call you by name, remember everything about you. They will even identify you by your phone number when you call. Now, that's a firm that everyone out there who's having doubts whether they should go with this one, go with Brad, or go with whatever. It's not about the fact that you have the the hookup with a radio station that you can reach out to the people. It's the fact that people trust you, people believe in you, and people have seen that your work has gotten them results. I was with a firm that they've given results before and everything, but because things didn't work out on the other party's end to help me get my green card, they continue charging me all over again, start all over again for me to continue my process. And I said, you know what? You took enough money away from me already. Let me go and see what it's out there, what it's like out there. When I went and see what the firm, Brad Bernstein and their firm is all about, all I have to do is find the time to call you guys and say, look, you guys haven't taken my case fully yet. I have spoken with someone already. And I just want to say, people should not walk to your office. They should run to your office.
Wow.
Get it done.
Shane.
And I'm telling
Shane.
yes.
That is big.
Shane, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you,
Wow.
thank you. And I'm saying this thank you because I didn't even know what you were going to say. I didn't know if you were calling.
I'm
to
lost
say,
for words, Brad.
To say, that was, you know what?
Wow.
Wow. And I appreciate that,
Mhm.
that you would take the time out of your day. I didn't ask you to call me. I actually don't even recall who you are. But the fact that you would get on the radio
Yes.
and you came to the free seminar and you saw what we were about and you saw what we did. And by the way, for 2015, DJ Roy,
Mhm.
everything at Spar Bernstein Lewis, besides the fact we are going to provide something that no other law firm does, which is provide world-class customer service to every client who comes here.
That's what I got when I got there.
Right.
That's what I saw. Your
Wow.
staff was actually handing out snacks,
Right.
beverages. I was like, where do you get this? This is not Donald Trump's tower.
Yeah.
Wow. You know
Right.
what?
And you want to know what? And we actually went out. We went out to Cleveland. I took 9 people out to Cleveland for a 3-day seminar on world-class customer service back in November. And what we learned, and we're instituting it here
Wow.
at Spar Bernstein Lewis, because there is not a law firm in America. Do you know who was at this seminar for world-class customer service? Starbucks was there. Hotels were there.
Yeah.
The Ritz-Carlton was there.
I've done a couple of
Carnival
them.
Cruise Lines was there.
Yep.
Do you know who wasn't there? Not a law firm in America.
Yeah.
Spar Bernstein Lewis was there because we're taking for 2015, and we're just hitting the tip of the iceberg, by the way.
Wow.
We're taking customer service very, very important to the point that our goal at the end of the year is that every client, now, right now, I'll tell you, we're not perfect. We will get to be perfect because that is our goal and our mantra for 2000. It is. It's our goal and mantra for 2015. Every client at the end of the year is going to say to us, I got world-class customer service. Now, world-class customer service doesn't mean I'm a miracle worker and I win every case. Not every lawyer can win every case. World-class customer service means that we're going to make sure that you stay calm, that you are well-informed, that you know what's going on with your case, that you know that there's a pathway to success. Whether ultimately you're successful or not, a lot of times it's sometimes out of the lawyer's control, but you have very good lawyers who will be working for you and providing world-class customer service, and that is what our goal is for 2015. We went out, I put my money where my mouth is. I took 9 employees to Cleveland on a 3-day seminar at the end, right before Thanksgiving, for world-class customer service to kick this thing off. And I appreciate, Shane, I didn't ask you to call me. I actually don't recall who you are.
No.
Okay?
No, you didn't.
I did not ask you to call me.
I know you don't have much time,
Right.
but before I go, the last thing I want to say is one of the best things I admired about your firm was the fact that they were able to see things on the computer about my immigration case that my other lawyer did not want to tell me unless I paid him more money.
Right.
Wow.
And they said, here, this is all you need to do. And the amount of money that I'm going to be paying to fully finish my case with them was so astronomically low that I can't wait to get things started.